first song, and the second song goes.
Heartbeat.
Yeah, and the other one. And the other one will go. And when it's combined together, you know, it is saying do good, do good. Right? On the 2nd of November 1930, His Majesty was crowned King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of Judah. It's from the Shashamane dynasty. Once a lamb, right, to the slaughter, like in 1935 when Italy invaded Ethiopia. He did not have any weapons to defend his country, so he was the lamb amongst the nations, right? So in 1936, he had to go into exile, and in 1941, he returned as the conquering lion, right, with the rainbow circle. He's got dominion over air, land, and sea, right? And you know, this is St. George, and it's good over evil. Lichtafari McConnell was His Majesty's name before he was crowned Haile Selassie, right? And Lichtafari McConnell, at the age of 7, he had dreadlocks, right? And then finally playing with lions, right? Ambassadors, right? Now at the age of 123, we see His Majesty with a great ambassador made dreadlocks, right? That's where I and I, as Rastafari, get our name from. Lichtafari, yeah? We see His Majesty as Christ in his kingly character, where his priests or his guests are dreadlocks Rastaman having a feast after they finish them fasting. Yeah. Emperor Menelik and Ras McConnell was the 224th and 25th descendants of the Shashamane dynasty. And within the Battle of Adwa, those were the only 2 victorious ones who really survived that battle.
Jared, sir, wanted. He wanted to go.